The top tax issues facing mining companies today are really centered around three areas: new taxes, complexity, and compliance. As we've seen in recent years, and this trend is continuing, countries continue to bring in new taxes that apply to the mining industry. Either increased income tax rates, or mining taxes, royalties, enhanced VAT, export taxes, the list goes on. Countries around the world are doing it. It's not just focused in one area. Australia, Chile, Peru, South Africa, a number of others have enhanced their taxes that face mining companies. The other area is complexity. As mining companies face all of these new taxes, not to mention dealing with the existing taxes, and when you combine that with global mining companies operating in various jurisdictions, the interplay between the mining operations can increase the complexity. Many of the business processes that mining companies have do cross borders, whether it's supply chain, whether it's movement of people, whether it's financing, and this creates a web where tax rules from various countries, already complex on their own, come together. And it can again be incredibly complex and a difficult world to navigate for mining companies. Mining companies also just have to face dealing with basic compliance with existing tax laws. Even for companies that don't have complex cross-border businesses and who have a fairly simplistic business model can find it challenging dealing with existing tax laws depending on the country or jurisdiction in which they're in. Governments are not only raising new taxes in order to get more revenues, but can have unusual interpretations of existing laws or even incorrect interpretations, particularly from the point of view of the mining companies. And once governments and taxation authorities take money away in the form of taxation, it's difficult to get that money back. Either the governments don't have the budgets to return the money, or it can be a very long, drawn-out process to get the money back. That costs time, effort, and money for mining companies in terms of trying to get those kinds of taxes back.